शिवोऽहं 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 शिवोऽहं. So what's the difference between level 7 and Mahashodasi mantra? Is there any plan to offer Mahashodasi mantra Diksha in near future? Level 7, what is the importance? When we do the level 4, 5, 6, then we go to level 7, where level 7 has the energy of all 6 levels. So it is a last stage that whatever you have done the tapasya of all levels, you are getting all that power in one mantra and you are meditating. And also in the worship what I have explained, the level 7 mantra takes your kundalini from Mooladhara to Sahasrara to your Parabrahma, divine self or higher soul, and then it brings back to your normal Mooladhara so that you can function normally in the third dimension. You can manifest and balance spiritual and material world. That's the power of Sri Vidya level 7 that you need to understand. In Mahashodasiva temple, actually in some parampara, they give a mantra of, Ganapati, Varahi, Bala, then Rajamatangi, then they give a Panchadashi mantra and other, they have their own certain. All these mantra shaktis are in one mantra, that is Mahashodasi mantra. So that is all, Ganapati, and then Durga or the Varahi or the Rajamatangi, then Bala, all those shaktis are made in one mantra, that is Mahashodasi mantra. So after following all that stages, you reach to Mahashodasi mantra, then you will be chanting only Mahashodasi mantra of that parampara like that. That is this. So I give this Mahashodasi mantra when I have been guided by Divine Mother to particular individual. This mantra is not given to the public. That is the tradition that has been followed by all the masters. All the masters have been followed that. It is like that. And it is given, otherwise if you don't prepare with all those Shaktis, then even you chant Mahashodasi, it won't work. So there are many conditions, restrictions, all of that. So it is not a part of our sadhana. Sri Vidya level 7 is, empowers all the mantras of all 7 levels and take you to the self-relation, God relation. So there is no comparison between this and that. There is no need for me to give again that one. But I only give to the, this Mahashodasi when guided by Divine Mother. And especially some students have done these sadhana in the past life and they wanted to help to the humanity. At that time I have been guided, then only I give this. So some mantras, this mantra Mahashodasi, Purna Mahashodasi, Para Mahashodasi, Taradi Mahashodasi, Bhuneshwar Mahashodasi, there are 32 forms of Mahashodasi. What is needed for the person, I give only that mantra that is guided by Divine Mother. It is not asked by a student. I sincerely follow the guidance given by my Divine Mother, Lalita Ambika. I follow her instruction. She is my guru, she is my ishta, she is a father, mother. I am here to serve her, not to fulfill the just people's intention and all. So I am guided, I will give only those teachings that is, as the will of Divine Mother. Shivoham, 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 Shivoham.